Welcome to Knives and Tequila. Now today, I've got my good friend Brandon here. We're gonna it up. Now I just wanted to say so we could use the beeps because it's hilarious. Give it a try. All right, anyway, what are we making?
We're making Asian chicken lettuce wraps.
And gonna have a few tequilas. Enjoy. All right, I have no idea how to make lettuce wraps. Seriously, never made them. Glad you're here.
All right, it's really easy. You start with 2 green onions.
Got them.
All right, cut the root off. There you go. Now chop it up and you're gonna separate the white part from the green part. Just slice it all the way down.
What about the mid-green part? All right, we'll just go all white. Like that, and then what? Yeah.
Let's start fresh.
All right, ends off.
Cut the roots off, and you're gonna go down.
Oh, good form.
Yeah. So this is all the white part right here that's gonna go in with the other onions. And when it starts turning into chives, that's the green part that you save for later.
Speed. When do you stop?
You do the whole thing. And just slide it over.
Glad you are here.
There's the white.
Perfect.
There's your greens.
Nice.
And you need to dice a regular onion.
How do you not get you cry?
Oh, easy. Cut the ends off. Chop it down the middle. All right, I've seen your onion chopping. We're gonna work on the.
All right.
Chop it, but don't go all the way to the end. I'm going like 90% of the way there.
Nice.
One across the middle, and then just knife.
Smooth. All right, I'm going to that second one.
The second one's all yours, and that last little part, just gonna chop it up.
Tear-free onion cutting. All right.
There you go.
All right. Mini chops.
Yeah, there you go.
Mini chop. Mini chop.
Might want to tuck that thumb back a little bit, just in case.
All right.
There you go.
Then we'll go half.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. All right.
Yeah, there you go.
Dude, I don't know the knuckle trick.
There you go.
Oh, we're learning today.
That's right.
All right.
All right, now throw some olive oil in the pan and start heating it up.
All right, so we got the pan heating up. Medium.
Medium.
We're on. All right, so.
Drizzle olive oil.
Drizzle.
There you go. And dump in the onions. There you go. Stir those around for about 3 or 4 minutes so they start getting clear. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna chop up the garlic.
Just a couple of dudes cooking up some wraps. It's funny, what the audience doesn't know is that it's 9 a.m. and we're taking tequila shots. All right, it's not 9.
It's close enough.
It's 10. Let's just do tequila instead.
Do that.
Yeah.
Cheers.
It's gonna be a long one. Whew. All right, we'll do some salt and pepper.
There you go.
There you go. Teamwork.
Teamwork. Just a little pinch.
All right, we ready?
Yep.
Looks
Good enough.
Yep.
Throw that chicken in there.
All right, ground chicken. A little over a pound. All right, I guess I'll break this
Break
thing
it up.
up.
Yeah.
I don't want to screw up your recipe.
You can't screw it up. That's the best part of the recipe.
Nice. Tequila proof.
Tequila proof. All right. You can cook the chicken until it's brown. It usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes.
Just in case these lettuce wraps taste like shit.
We'll be too drunk to know. Give that another minute, and we'll throw the rest of it in, and we're almost done.
Not even cooking, just playing on my phone.
All right, it's all good. That's what I'm here for.
Get it done, man.
You just trick people into coming to cook for you, don't you? Come cook me dinner for my YouTube channel. I'm gonna try that. That's great.
All right, so thanks to your fine chopping,
Yep.
we're ready to go. What else we need?
All right, throw in the white part of the green onion, the garlic,
Claw.
2 claws of garlic.
Perfect. That was dumb. All right, what else we need?
All right, all the sauces. So you're gonna throw in, that's hoisin sauce, you're gonna dump in about a 1/4 cup.
We gonna eyeball that one?
Just give it a little, keep going. Keep going.
2 globs?
Keep going. Oh,
3
yeah,
globs?
like 5 globs.
Hoisin sauce.
Sprinkle of rice vinegar.
Just so they know.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
And then depending on how spicy you want it, throw some sriracha in there.
I want it spicy. Bleep that one. Yeah, I want the spicy.
Yeah, keep going,
Your
keep
call.
going.
I'm in.
There you go. I like it.
All right.
And then a sprinkle of that ground ginger.
Now all the tops are nice and messy. We'll get our assistant to clean that. We don't have an assistant. Keep going. They know that. That?
Yeah, a little more. There you go.
All right.
Stir it all around.
Oh shit, it already smells good.
Oh yeah. I think she needs a deeper pan.
Yeah.
So you want to have that nice brown color to it. Yeah, there you go.
Hoisin to brown.
Yeah.
That's the code.
What that means. All right, so after that's cooked about 3 to 5 minutes, then you're gonna add the last ingredients, which is drained water chestnuts that are diced up, and the green onions.
Whole thing?
Whole thing. There you go, give it a stir.
It's turned out way better than I thought.
Not bad.
Nice recipe,
You like
man.
that? You can always go back and add mushrooms or carrots or whatever if you want to kick it up a notch to your personal flavor, but that's a simple version.
All right, it's smelling fresh. We're ready to go. I'll let you do the honors. We'll move this aside.
Okay.
These are hot. The romaine hearts.
There we go, give them a quick little rinse. Not today, E. coli. All right, just chop the base off. So I like to eat these as lettuce wraps, but you can also make it kind of like a dip and dip celery in it and eat it with celery.
Nice.
Or you can chop up the rest of the lettuce and make a salad and put this on top.
All right, whatever, I'm digging in.
Roll it up.
Cheers, my friend.
Cheers.
Ta. Ah. Oh. Let it cool. Let it cool. But they are delicious. All right, now it's cooled. Proper.
There you go.
No plate needed.
No plate.
Yes.
Perfect.
Let's try that again. Cheers.
Cheers.
Perfect. Oh, delicious meal. If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe, and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.